You can make a simple edge wrap, I mean gilly, with no stress. Follow me, let's do this. So grab your material at the middle like 50-50 and use your elastic band to hold it, right? When you hold it with your elastic band, please focus the way I'm doing it. When you use your elastic band to hold it at the middle, we are going to place it on our head right away. So when you place it on your head, then you are going to start making pleats on both sides. So grab the first side while using your hand to secure the other at the back. You pick the first one and you start making pleats with it. All through, guys. Make it all through from beginning to the end up till down. Adjust it, make it well aligned. So just focus your eyes and see what I'm doing, guys. Focus, focus, focus. So you want other people, you want people who want to learn fast, easy, sharp head wrap to benefit from this. What you can do to achieve that is just to share this video and let it reach more people. Thanks. Okay, we go to the other side and we do the same thing. Pleat all through. Pleat all through, beginning to the end up to down. Yes, when you are done pleating for both sides, then we're going to be moving to the next stage. I'm still on pleating for the other part, so stay focused and watch the way I'm doing it. Alright, so don't forget to share, let it reach more people. Just hit on the share button now and share now so that you don't forget. Hit on like button and leave your comments below. Yes, tell me, what do you feel about the head wrap after watching? Are you going to try it? Do you like it? Okay, I'm done with the pleating already for both sides. Then I go to the back and cross it. I cross it because this my material is not lengthy enough. If you have a lengthy material, you can knot it, like tie it just once, then you bring the remaining forward. Okay, make sure that the pleat is still intact. If it is already scattered, adjust it before you dip it into the rubber band. You dip the first one into the rubber band at the front and you dip the second excess into the rubber band as well. Make sure one fall at the front and the other falls at the back. Then I pick the one from the back, I stretch it out to sideways, and I use my office pin to pin down. Yes, so I'm going to stretch the other one too, which falls at the front, which I'm going to be pinning down. Guys, just focus, watch the way I'm doing it. This is absolutely simple. Yeah, you can do it. It's simple. Yes, so try it. Let me hear from you guys in the comment section. Are you going to try it? Do you like it? Is this something you can go for? So this elastic band at the front, I need to cover it with this. In case you don't have that, what you're going to do to save that rubber band is just to use the color of your fabric so it's not that obvious, okay? But this my elastic band that I use is obvious, so I've added that and it's covered the elastic band up for me and it adds some beauty touch. So here's the outcome, front, back. Like, share, comment. See you in my next video. Bye.